Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a comments haul because, to be honest, you go online, you click, comments pops up, and their style does suit at least what I'm seeing. It does flow with the type of dresses and outfits that I typically wear. So I wanted to see if it was worth the hype. And also I have looked at a couple other girls that did a couple reviews that I was like, okay, looks good, and so far I've heard pretty good things. So I wanted to see. Anyhow, too much blabbing, let me get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first dress, I'm just gonna let you guys look at it right now, all right? And per one of my followers, she did tell me that I needed to show the back because I have a tendency of being a little bit too quick, so I'm gonna do just that right now. Let me take my time, all right? So what I do like about the back here, guys, it has strings. It's like a corset type, so you can pull it and it delivers, right? We can go ahead and turn it around. It has a little split here. Love it, love it. The material is light. I'm assuming polyester with mixed with something, because everything these days have a little polyester. But honestly, the lightweight of this is so good. It's so nice. So when you have a dress like this, what are you thinking? Brunch. You could even do a dinner, but I'm thinking like daytime. You know, brunch date. Look at this. Look at the flow. Look at this. Look at the flow. Right? What I do love about it also is right here. You get to tie it. However, if you are anything greater than a C cup, I would not recommend this dress. Honestly, just like the picture, I was cutting it pretty close because the dress is more for people with small chested. If you're well chested and you're gifted in this area, and if gravity has taken over, then maybe, God, I feel embarrassed. Sorry guys, phone keeps acting up. But anyhow, like I'm saying, if you have a bigger chest and gravity has taken over, if you don't have implants or something to keep them up, I don't know if this is gonna work, to be honest, because I was cutting it pretty close. Anyhow, aside from that, it's a beautiful dress. I'll come up closer so you can see. And the back there, it's a lovely dress. Very beautiful, very beautiful. So yeah, that's the first dress. Let's jump into the second dress. All right. Okay, here goes the other outfit. Yes, it's a definite yes for me, simply because it fits the way it, you know, was portrayed on the picture. I've seen other people in videos with, you know, with it on, and it looks good as well. But you know what? There's something important about when you look at the picture of what they have on their website, and when you buy it and it actually fits you the way it looks, it's everything. So anyhow, material on this one is definitely different. It's more spandexy, stretchy, but the material is thick. Not too thick where it's like, oh my gosh, winter thick, but it's a good material. The quality is good. The black and white, I'm feeling it. I mean, I feel like this season is either polka dots, black and white, or black and white. And you can't go wrong with black and white, simply because this adds a level of classiness that I think with the nice shoes and a perfect handbag, bada bing, bada boom, okay? So let me give you guys a more slower version. Okay, so this is where I'm a little bit gifted in the backside, but that's all right. I hope you guys took a nice little look. Here I'm wearing a strapless bra, but the nice thing about it is that you can wear a bra that actually has sleeves to hold the girls up a little bit more, you know, give it that little lift and so on. So yeah, it's beautiful. And you know what else is nice? Kind of like that little mermaid shape, you know. Let me back up a little bit. Isn't that cute? Absolutely, absolutely. So what are you thinking? Date night? What are you thinking? Maybe like, I don't know where I'd wear this. Definitely date night. The great thing is it's diverse, it's versatile. If you want to zazz it up, you can. And if you just want to do something daytime, you can. It all depends on the accessories, shoes, and handbag, right? All right, let's move on to the other one. Okay guys, so, all right, so last but not least, let me back it up a little bit. Let's back this baby up a little. So last but not least, you got this lovely mustard color. And mustard and melanin blends well together, just in case you didn't know. Mustard and melanin, oh my gosh, it's a combo. So anyhow, I got this mustard dress. I still have the tag on it. The back is, you know, the back is okay. It's fine. Here's the thing about this dress. It's here. It's the straps. Pretty loose. and it's a little tight. I guess I could size up, but if I did size up, the problem is you guys will see the problem. Even if, let's say, I sized up, this is a small, and if I sized up it's just here for me that is just loose, and so I just wouldn't. It's perfect, I'll get by. It's nothing that I need to return, but just so that you guys kind of know that, okay? Another thing that what I do love about it, let me give it some perks, is it has kind of like a pleats, you know? The pleats add a little zest to the dress. Overall, the dress is lovely. Again, if you're small chested, it might work, but I don't know, it's cutting it close because of the make. I feel like maybe if I took it to a tailor and had them kind of like take off like an inch or something, that would be better. But now I've got this kind of loose side, but I can make it work. I can make it work. It's nothing for me to be too picky or to return. And again, the price point for these outfits, they're pretty affordable. Everything is less than $100 each. And it's still classy. You know, it's not too short, and the color is beautiful. I got it just because of the color and because of the shape of it. And again, another dress that, based on what I saw online, I put it on and it looks pretty similar. So I was very pleased with that. Overall, let me stand up properly. Overall, I would recommend it. I would definitely recommend Commense. Would I purchase again anytime soon? Probably not, and here's my reason. Simply because when I went online to purchase it, you know, I'm used to getting my stuff within 3 days, or at latest maybe a week. However, I had no idea that it was going to take so long. I paid an extra, I don't know if it's $15 or $20, something along that line. It was an extra to get my outfits, and I thought it was going to be maybe like 7 days. It took me 2 weeks, if not more, probably more than 2 weeks, because I remember looking and I almost forgot about them, and I was like, oh, hold up, until I got an email. So I know it's coming from somewhere in some Asian country, whether it's China, probably more than likely. However, just the time that it took to get here, especially since I paid extra for it, that's probably the reason why right now I'm not gonna say I never will purchase from there again, but right now, no. I'll stick with Express. I'll stick with Zara, just because, you know, you get your stuff right away, right? And so if you're planning on ordering from Commense, whether or not Commense, if you have an event, let's say in 3 days or next week, I would not recommend you get anything, even if it's expedited, because like I said, I paid the extra, and still it took about two weeks, probably more. All right, so anyhow, enough with the blabbing. I'm gonna try to do another clothing haul from another company that I bought, and it's definitely a yes, but the material is good, the fit is good. So if you guys want to give it a try, sure, go ahead, but be mindful of the time frame in terms of the delivery process, okay? Anyhow, as usual, take care and God bless. Ciao.